Okay, so once you've created your account and then created students and set up their homework, then you can have the kids go to either a phone or a tablet, or you can even use it on a laptop. And you'll want to go to https colon www.robotsandgames.club and go there. Go. From here, you'll want to go to sign in. So each one of the kids is going to have their own email and password. Okay, so you want to type that in at this point. And when you're signed in, it will look like this. So you want to go to click on homework. The homework will give you whatever you've assigned to the kids. So we'll just do addition and look at this example. So click on example. It'll show you we're doing addition by 3. So everything 1 through 10. It does actually also give you like a few 0 problems. And so you have 3. And this will just tell you what's going to be on the quiz. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and so on. And then you can see what's going to be on the quiz. You can go back to main menu. So if you click down here, main menu will bring you back here. We'll click on problems. From here, you can see it says addition problem 1 of 20. So you can keep track of where you're at. As soon as you hit the addition problems on the previous one, as soon as this page comes up, it will start a clock running. And so if you exit and come back in again, it's going to give you the time since the beginning. So it doesn't time each one. It times when you started and when you ended. What was the last problem you did? So right here, this will be 5. We can hit enter. Here, let's get this one wrong. We're going to say that's 8 and enter. And this one we'll say is 9. Oops. 99. And then, oh wait, no, that's not 99. So you can hit the back button right here. Go back. Oops, go back again. And we'll put in the right answer this time. And then hit enter. And that's 9. And let's get this one wrong as well. And we'll say that's 5. Okay, so now I'm going to hit the button down here, which is main menu, because I'm not going to finish all these problems. And I'm going to click on exchange homework up at the top. Okay, so it submits the homework, gets back the answer. The answer is, so you've got errors. You can click on error, and it says addition errors 1 of 2. So we got 2 errors. This is the first one. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then I can click this little arrow here and go and look at the next one, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and click on this again, and it'll take me back here. Now it'll give me another set of problems, and I can take a look at those and work through those as well. Okay. Then we'll go, so the other thing I can do here is, so I've finished the homework. I can click on home and then go to profile. And under profile, I can view homework. I click on that, and it's going to show me, it shows up better on a screen, but I can see for today, January 4th, so far I've done 51 problems, 7 errors, average time per problem was 3.65 seconds. I also did some of the other stuff, but you can see it goes back a little ways. Eventually I'll probably do some other graphical form, but that's what I've got right now. And you can see how many problems were done for each of the given days going into the past. Okay, so then tomorrow, then it'll be blank again like these here. And then you've got to get your homework submitted, and then it'll just grade it and get it back to you. Okay, so that's how the app works. And then when you're done, you can click Profile, go down to the bottom, and sign out. There you go.